harder, like living, like especially like the city and living?
Yeah.
How would you compare living in LA to New York?
I feel like they're rough, like in different ways, but like, right, the transportation over there is like so much better.
Welcome
Like
to
the
Soarin
systems and everything.
Over
So
My name is Patrick, and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and, of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else?
Roll one's gonna follow me.
Yeah.
Followed by two,
Have a
followed
nice
by
one.
three. Okay, guys. Roll one.
Soarin Over California is now ready for immediate boarding. All passengers in Gate A will proceed to the airport.
Soarin to tower. We are ready for takeoff. behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring over California with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your left.